Hey everybody, Cappy here.
Miko here.
Here to play another round of Ratchet and Clank.
Now we got warbots. Ah.
Those freaking turrets again.
Oh yeah.
Heads up! We got some flyers!
Alright. Turn it down.
God, I hate warbots. You never want to go down. How do we know?
2 left! Last one!
That wasn't
Not
too
bad
challenging.
for a rookie.
Not bad, I wiped... Well, you wiped him out in one shot.
Huh. Place looks pretty secure. Any ideas on a point of entry?
Ratchet, the last time I was here, I used the air purification vents to escape. Perhaps we could now use them to get into the factory.
Good thinking, Clank. Look, over there.
Alright.
Be careful in there, Clank.
Okay. So now we're doing the
Company
solo
Rangers.
mission with
I
Clank
am
again.
inside Trek Industries' ventilation system.
Good work, Cadet. I wish I was in that vent with you. Curse these abnormally large
That-
muscles.
I don't know
There's
if
a
that's a
security terminal
Rhino
just
card,
north of your
but
position. Shut it down, and the Rangers should be able to access the building.
probably need to find a companion.
Yeah.
Here we are. Citron Career Opportunities page. Please state your current position. Assistant to Evil Villain. List relevant skills.
What is that, bridge bot?
Yep.
Calls, assisting in planetary It's the defect. What are you doing back here?
There must be a way through this room.
Ah, it's puzzle. Alright.
Yeah, use him as a bridge bot first.
There must be a gadget-bot around here somewhere.
Well, at least they respawn.
Did he respawn?
Yeah,
Where?
the one you just picked up.
That's not the one I just threw into the lava. I hope I didn't just screw this up. Yeah, you might have.
Don't tell me you need a spring bot. Or you take out one of those bridges.
Attention, all warbots. A bug in your system settings has been discovered. You should never add flowers to your battery packs. You should add power. Please see your nearest engineer for a software upgrade. Engineers, mandatory typing classes have now been ordered by Chairman Drek.
Right.
Okay, there we go. I like how you can change the type like that.
Yeah, that was one of the Clank's upgrades. But first, I use this on that vent I saw back there.
You sure it'll work?
It should.
Either that or there's a hidden path. You're a genius. What do you got here?
None of them holo cards, though. I mean, Rhino cards.
Yeah. Oh well. It's good to dream.
Alright, let's continue onward.
Attention Attention all warbots. Warbot Platoon 774 has successfully completed training and is ready for action. Congratulations. Now go out there and ruin someone's day.
Back now, Defect, I'm warning you! Special delivery from Sam and Trek! Oh, that didn't work at all!
You were expecting it to?
Oh my, that looks dangerous.
Yeah, it really does.
Let's see you think your way out of this one!
Sister Board, do not fail me now.
Ah, puzzles.
Everything going okay, pal?
That's all.
I am almost there,
Clank stuff
but I have
is.
run into an obstacle. Drex's assistant Zed is attempting to keep me from reaching the security terminal.
Understood. Ilaris, carpet bomb the factory with pyrocytic blast mines.
I think it's probably safer if we let Clank handle things.
I would prefer that as well.
Ah, so much.
What else is there to do? The other wires gotta go somewhere.
Let me try something over here.
Maybe. Oh, put him on the conveyor belt. You have to go through there as he's going by them.
Ah, yeah, I see, I see. Very clever.
You have to quick about that.
Yeah.
Attention all warbots. Chairman Drek would like to thank you for your hard work. Ice cream sandwiches will be served in the cafeteria this afternoon from 1:10 to 1:15 p.m. Also, a friendly reminder that there is a mandatory meeting for all warbots from
That
1
was
to
really
1:30
close.
on deck
Oh,
B.
yeah.
Any warbots not
Alright,
attending
now you
will
gotta
be
turn that power bot into another
destroyed.
bridge bot.
Well, I see the other thing I'm supposed to power up.
You're supposed to blow that up with a bomb of some sort.
I haven't seen a bomb though.
Oh, you gotta make a bridge next to that cage. You don't have to break it. You just gotta power it. Back up so he's actually standing on the...
Oh, there we go, finally.
And then you put a power bot right there to power that generator. And then one right there to power that generator.
What? Through.
You caught him.
Just go right
On
there.
the bridge.
And now I gotta get to that one.
I feel kind of sad that it took us that long to figure that out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see how much further we have to go.
Good work, Gadgetbot.
How are you so smart? Robots are supposed to be simple soldiers! Who upgraded you?
Okay, there's a bomb here.
Okay, you wanna fight? How about fighting a real warbot?
Oh boy.
Oh, no, you got another war bot.
Wait until Victor sees that I've captured you. Then I'll be top henchman. Maybe he can spend all day stacking crates.
Wipe him out. Take him down.
Grab it.
Collect the bolts.
Oh
Guy sending two of them after.
no. Yep.
This is why I wish Ratchet had some weaponry. Or Clank had some weaponry.
Yeah, that didn't hit either. So basically I need to be using 4 bombs on these guys. 4 hits and they should be down.
Clank's health is pretty freaking atrocious.
Yeah. Already gave up.
Wow. What's this, another puzzle?
I guess so.
Alright, well, if this is another puzzle, I think we'll just leave this here and come to the next episode.
Yep.
So thank you everybody for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Why not subscribe as well? If you want to see other great content or
Perhaps that
get in
magnet
touch
could be
with
of
us,
assistance.
check out our Facebook page and Miko's other channel in the description below. As always, we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.